Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be using the Natasha Denona Safari palette. We are going to do a pretty simple look. I like the way it turned out. I'm pretty happy about it. But we're just going to do a simple look, play around with a few colors, and chit chat just a little bit. A little bit of me speaking my mind. But anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. If you're not subscribed already, please do. I upload at least 3 to 4 times a week, and I would love to have your guys' support. So let's go ahead and dive back into this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do one eye on camera, and then I'll do one eye off camera. But yeah, for those of you who are new here, thank you guys so much. I have some newbies, and I'm really excited about that. I did want to say, you know, I have some stuff to say in general. We are going to start off with the shade Amara. So I promise you guys this look is not going to be as many colors as I used in the last one. I just get really excited when I pick up a palette and I want to see how shades work together. So I understand, like, you know, some of you guys had mentioned, or people in general had mentioned, like, they would rather not see so many different shades and like just simpler looks, and that's fine. Like I don't mind that at all. So I will do that in future reviews for sure, or I'll do like 2 different looks. That way I just like to use all the shades, you know, like that's what it is. I want to see, when I look at a review, I want to know how all the shades perform together. But yeah, I will definitely work on that. But I do kind of want to talk about, you know, I am a new YouTuber. I just started this year, and I started because I thought this was going to be a really fun way for me to connect with people that also love makeup. I have always worked like in gyms. I worked as a loader at UPS. Like I've always worked like different jobs with majority being guys, and so I just really don't get to talk about makeup that much. So this was just supposed to be a fun way to do that. And I feel like it's kind of become, you know, I've only been on it for 6 months, but the negativity goes up so high so fast. And it's like, constructive criticism is one thing, and I continue to learn and grow from that, and I have no problem when it's constructive criticism. But like, if you're just going to be mean, it's really disheartening to try to continue to do this. And I'm just kind of like, I'm not forcing you to watch my videos. Like, you know, it makes you feel really shitty, because this is like a fun thing to do. It also, though, takes a lot of time, like getting a video up and edited, and, you know, and then to feel like people are just typing back away whatever they feel like typing. And I'm in my real life, people are never that mean. But also, like, I'm not one to keep my mouth shut about it either. Whereas online, I feel like I have to, because it's just like, they just want a response and they're just being mean to be mean. But, you know, it still sucks. Still is not that great of a feeling, for sure. So I'm going to actually deepen that up quite a bit, you guys. I want this to be pretty dark. So I'm still just going in with that one shade. That's it. And I'm going to cut the crease, so I want it to be pretty high up here. And then I got told I was unprofessional because I don't wear foundation, or, you know, foundation would look so much better. And like, and I'm wearing foundation today. But the thing is if you haven't watched my previous videos, I almost went on a round of Accutane. My acne had gotten really out of control this year. And then feeling like, you know, I don't want to become one of those people that feels like, I don't ever want to not be confident in my own skin. And I don't right now wear foundation. I don't wear foundation to work and stuff. And like, I just didn't want to feed into the fact that, like, if you're not wearing foundation, you're not pretty. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like that. I want my skin to breathe, and foundation's just, I've tried so many different brands, but I'm trying to give my face a break the last few months. And I am finally at the point where I feel pretty without makeup. And I just love to do eyeshadow. Like, eyes are definitely my favorite thing to do. So we're going to deepen this up with Thorn, which is that medium brown shade. But yeah, I don't know. I guess I just wasn't prepared. I thought negativity would come when, you know, like for bigger YouTubers, but no, it doesn't. It comes for everybody, I guess. But I don't know. Those of you that are supportive and, you know, give constructive criticism, I can't even say criticism apparently. I really do appreciate it. And you guys can see my eyes are turning red, which is a comment I get all the time. My eyes are just super sensitive. Does not matter what kind of eyeshadow I use or anything like that. It is what it is. You know what I mean? Like, I can't change that. I'm not on drugs, I promise. Like, it just, yeah. So I did want to just address those few things, and if you feel like being mean, like, please just go somewhere else. I'm not forcing you to watch any of my videos. Like, I just don't need that. You know, this is supposed to be my escape. It's supposed to be fun. I look forward to filming. I love reading your guys' comments because it's, you know, I get to talk about makeup, which is what I love to do. So I'm just kind of like, go away. If you don't want to be nice, you know? I don't need you in my life. All right, so next I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape, and we are just going to cut the crease. Okay, so since I am waiting for that to dry, I'm going to take a MAC cream color pencil. This is NW25, and put that in the lower waterline. Okay, so next we're going to take Tamarind, which is like the sand color on the lid. I'm just going to take that on a packing brush and just pack that over the concealer. So I saw Natasha Denona do something kind of similar with Savannah in the crease, right above the crease, but I don't know, I just wanted to use these colors today. That's just the honest truth. I will say that I've been using this palette. I kind of played with it a lot the last few days, and I am really enjoying it more than I thought I would. At first I was like, kind of like the colors, what am I going to do with this? And now that I've messed around with it more, I'm liking it more and more. I'm going to take my finger and pat that Tamarind shade on top. For some reason, it seems to be a little bit more vibrant using my sausage fingers. So next on a pencil brush, I'm going to grab that Tamarind shade and just go right underneath it. And I did try to do this look with the Masai shade because I do really like that, and I might put a little bit in here, but thing is, since it is maroon, it kind of makes me look like my eyes are already red, and then that just makes me look sick. So as much as I liked it when I did it yesterday, I was like, I look a little sickly. So, and some people, you know, some days I dig that look. It's totally fine for me. I feel like makeup should be fun. It should be what you want it to be. It should just be creative and just make you feel good. I don't think it should, there's no rules, right? Like, there shouldn't be as many issues, I feel like, as people are making them out to be. Like, guys, we're not talking about global warming and how to solve it here, okay? Okay? I don't get it. Okay, so now we are going to take, let's take Thorn again, since we used that in the upper portion. And we're just gonna kind of connect that down. I'm not gonna really blend it out. I'm just gonna connect it to the top lash line. So now we're gonna go back in with Amara and a smaller brush, and we're gonna really blend this out. Okay, I know it looks a little crazy right now, but I think with lashes, we will be fine. This is more, I don't know, sometimes I feel like it's a raccoony look, but it's like a raccoon look that I like. So, nothing crazy, no lash line, no anything. We're just gonna put on mascara, and I'm gonna do this other eye and come back. Ooh, I wanted to get these looks up yesterday, but it's busy weekend. We had, I like how I say we, there was boxing matches, it was Olympia weekend. I had a lot of stuff that I was like, no, oh, I need to do this. And yeah, I just needed a little 2-day like reset break. Like, But anyways, I think the next look I want to do is with the blue, because I know I said that was a shade that I don't really... Thing is, I know how to use it, I just don't really like it, but I think I found a look that I like with it. So next one will be that for sure. Now that today is Sunday, I need some new show recommendations. We are at a loss right now, where we're like, what else should we watch? I'm in season 2 of Handmaid's Tale, but it's like I have to be in a mood to watch that. I don't know how so many people love that show. It's like, it's so depressing. Like, our whole mood changes after watching that, and we're just both like, I don't want to do anything now. Like it just brings me down. All right, so let's go ahead and do the face. Okay, and then we finish Ozark. So really, we have a lot of shows that we watch. I'm just gonna contour just a little bit. For those of you wondering, I'm still pretty much using all the Jaclyn Hill brushes. Just because when I do an updated review, I really want to be honest about them. And now I've been using them now since I got them. So it's been weeks, I feel like maybe a month even. I don't know if it's been a whole month, but I've tried to use them almost every single day and in every single tutorial so you guys can really get a good idea of how they work. But so far, so good. I haven't had shedding. They've been working out really well. I'm pretty impressed. And then I also want to know what you guys are picking up for the holidays. I feel like all holiday makeup is coming out. I am so not ready for the holidays. It is 104 degrees outside. So for blush, I'm going to go in with this new pop from Clinique. It's a really light nude, but I feel like we will keep it pretty light today. I don't want to do anything crazy. The metallic strobe lighting palette for highlight, because I cannot leave my face completely matte. I wish I could, but I can't. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to take this Kylie Caramel lip liner. Honey, I'm Home gloss from Dose of Colors. Alright guys, this is the completed look. I hope it was pretty easy to follow. I tried to make it as simple as possible. And yeah, I actually really do like the way that this turned out. It looks a little crazy, not gonna lie, without the rest of your face done. It's one of those like, I feel like a hot raccoon type look. That's what I feel like. So, or panda. I guess panda would be a good, no, not really panda. I was gonna say raccoon. Not the point. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry about all the venting. I hope it wasn't too much. I promise I'm not that whiny on a normal basis. But I just had some things, you know, I want to be honest on my channel and talk about stuff. And yeah, so I hope that it wasn't too much. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video where I will use the Morgana shade, the navy shade. And then overall, I did want to just touch upon the palette and say that I have been using it now for a few days, obviously, and I am really, really enjoying this, and I do recommend it if you like the shades in it. The one shade I have swatched on here was the only one. It's called Masai. It's the only one I've had a little bit of a problem with as far as not blending out as easy, but still blendable. Like, it's not going on, you know, the swatch isn't patchy or anything, but like, I will mention that that was the one shade where I felt like it wasn't necessarily what I had expected it to be, is what I'll say. But everything else is great. The only shade I still haven't used is the gray, but I'll get there. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.